In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item in Zoho Inventory. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho account. From your Zoho dashboard, you'll want to go to Zoho Books, because that's where your inventory and items are managed within this setup. Once Zoho Books loads, you should see the main home screen with your financial overview and navigation menu. Next, look for the section or tab labeled Items in the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your products and services are stored. Go ahead and click on Items. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the menu or scrolling down slightly in the sidebar until it appears. Clicking Items will take you to a list of everything that's already in your system, including products, services, or any other billable items you've created before. Once you're on the Items page, you may again see an Items option in the top area or a sub-tab within this section. Click on Items there as well to make sure you're specifically viewing the full list of individual inventory items. This ensures you're in the right place to add something new, rather than editing categories or other settings. Now that you're on the main item list, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button that says New or Plus New. This is the button you'll use to create a brand new item record. Click on Plus New, and a new item creation form will open. Here, you'll need to fill in all the details for your new item. Typically, this includes an item name, a description, the type of item, such as goods or services, and any relevant SKU or item code you use internally. You can also enter the selling price, purchase price, and tax preferences if they apply in your region. Take your time to be accurate here, because this information will flow into your invoices, bills, and inventory reports. If Zoho allows you to track stock, you can enter opening stock, reorder levels, and preferred vendors as needed. Double check spellings and numbers so everything stays consistent across your system. Once you're happy with all the details and everything looks correct, scroll down if necessary and find the Save button. Click on Save to finalize the new item. After saving, you'll be taken back to your item list and you should now see the new item included there, ready to be used in transactions. And that's it. You've successfully added an item in Zoho Inventory.